What's up guys, this is Vivs from SlideNerd again. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how you draw stuff on an applet. Now you have an applet which is empty. If you run this, I don't know what you're gonna get. Oh, you got an empty window. So you see, having an empty window is not the purpose. You wanna draw something in it, you wanna show the people something, right? So to draw something on the applet, you simply use a function called paint. So you say public void paint. So now here, this takes an object which is of type graphics. Now you know who calls this method? This method is called by a web browser, of course. You don't have to tamper with this. Now it says, let's see what it says. It says cannot find symbol graphics. So you have to import it. When you don't know what it is, you have to tell what it is. Import java.awt.graphics, I guess. Yep. So there you go. I've imported this stuff. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply draw a piece of string on the applet. So you can say g dot have so many methods. You must be pretty overwhelmed with this, right? So you say draw string. Now here's the second one. So the first we need a string object. You can just directly pass something over here, and you need an x and y coordinate. Now let's see. Put an x, y, 0, 0 and test it how it goes. So 0, 0. Let's see. I have a text over here. I'm gonna run this and check it out where this comes. You can click shift F6 directly. So now, I can't see anything. 0, 0 is probably the top left. So let me bring it on the, let's see, maybe 100, 0, 100, 100 maybe. Okay, 100, 100. Let me run it again. Okay, now this time, if you maximize this, you can see this is 100 from X, 100 from Y. Hey man, this is Viv from SlideNerd. The text is coming as it is. So as you see, there are many other methods. Now this is one of them. I'll comment this out so that we can try the other stuff out. You can say draw rect. It takes 4 coordinates, x, y, width and height. Now if you say let's take an x of say 50, width of say 200 and height of 100, and let's test this how this goes. So if you click shift F6 now, as you see, if you maximize this, it's 50 from the left edge, that is your y axis. It's 50 from your x axis. It's 200 in width, 100 in height. It's exactly what we did. We can also have the string inside this by uncommenting this out, and we'll see what happens in this case. Okay, now it's not exactly inside, but we can definitely increase the width of this and that will fit inside perfectly. There are some other methods. Let's test them out. I'm gonna close this applet. I'm gonna say like let's comment this both out so that they don't get in our way. Say g dot draw oval. It's gonna take x, say 100, y say 100, width say 400 and height say 150. Now let's see. Now here is the funny thing. If you see this ellipse, it's actually inside an imaginary rectangle, which you cannot see over here. This imaginary rectangle has a top left corner, which is your x and y, which you wrote over here, 100 and 100. The width 400, the height 400. Fine. Now let's see. Let's understand this by drawing a rectangle around this and seeing how this works. Say 100. You say 100. Same thing, 400 and 150. I'm gonna run this now. Now you'll understand exactly what's happening. The rectangle's top left corner matches with the x and y of the ellipse, and now the center is perfectly aligned with the width 400, 150. I hope you guys understood what's going on in this place. Let me try some other things. G dot. Let's see. You can also say fill rect. So in that case, you have fill rect over here. You specify the width, height. Again, the same thing. Which is say let's say 100, 100, 150, 100. Now what color is this gonna be? It's gonna be black because the default color is black. We haven't changed the color at all at this step. So if you wanna change the color, you're gonna set it first. So you say color is new color. You're gonna make an object of the class color. It's gonna take 3 parameters inside. They're gonna be the RGB values. Let's say red color, which is 25500. It says Hey man, I don't know what this is. We'll have to import this in. awt.color, that should do the trick. So now if you say g dot set color, remember we have created the color but we have not said that this graphics object should be red in color. So this is exactly what this function does. It says, hey, you see this rectangle, you see anything drawn using this object G, it should be in red color. And that's exactly what it does. Now when you see shift F6, you can see the rectangle is gonna be red in color. This is the end of this tutorial, guys. Next time, I don't know what I'm gonna get inside, but stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you like what you saw. See you guys later.